In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple table of contents in Microsoft Word. If you're working with a very large Word document that contains several chapters or sections, you may want to create a separate table of contents for each section. This can make a long document easier to navigate and allows you to show only the headings that belong to a specific part of the document. To create multiple tables of contents, there are two main parts to the process. First, you need to create a bookmark for each area of the document. Then, you insert a table of contents using a bookmark switch within the table of contents field. For this demonstration, we have a simple document with 6 headings. The first 3 headings will be included in one table of contents, while the last 3 headings will appear in a separate table of contents. First, select the text that you want to include in the first table of contents. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Links group, click Bookmark. A bookmark name needs to follow a few rules. It must start with a letter or an underscore, it cannot contain spaces, and punctuation marks should not be used. For simplicity, we'll name this bookmark A. Click Add to create it. Now, select the area containing the headings for the second table of contents. Go back to Insert, click Bookmark, and name this bookmark B. Click Add. Now that the bookmarks are created, it's time to insert the tables of contents. Place your cursor where you want the first table of contents to appear. Instead of using the usual References tab, go to the Insert tab. In the text group, click Quick Parts, then select Field. In the Field Names list, select Talk, which represents the table of contents field. Next, click Field Codes, and then click Options. From the list of available switches, select the B switch. This switch allows you to use a bookmark to specify the area of the document from which Word should build the table of contents. Click Add to add the switch to the field code. Then, in the Advanced Field Properties box, enter the name of the first bookmark, which is A. Make sure there is a space between the switch and the bookmark name. Click OK, and Word will create a table of contents containing the headings from that bookmarked section. Now repeat the same process for the second table of contents. Go to Insert, select Quick Parts, choose Field, select TOC, and click Field Codes and Options. Add the B switch, then specify the bookmark name B. Click OK, and Word will create the second table of contents for that section. These tables are also updatable. If you add a new heading inside one of the bookmarked areas, right-click its table of contents, select Update Field, and choose Update Entire Table. Word will include the new heading, and that's how you can create multiple tables of contents for specific sections in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,